Hi dear students, in the last class we discussed about the operating system. Okay, you know about operating system. Without operating system is a computer like a useless. Okay, see, you know what is the operating system? Operating system nothing but it is a system software. It is a system software. It is a collection of program which is acts as a intermediator between user and hardware. Okay, if you want to work hardware components, okay, then must and should you want a operating system. If you want to install any softwares in computer, must and should we want a operating system. Okay, see, last class we discussed about this. Okay, the last class we discussed about the functions of operating system. What are the functions? There are four main functions are there. See, the memory management, then process management, device management, then the last one is this file management. Okay, in file management it gives the security over all files. Okay, last class we discussed about these functions of operating system. Last class we discussed about the words like what is booting, what is multitasking. Okay, what is multi-processing. Okay, these terms are comes in a operating system. Okay, last class you discuss about these all terms. Okay, the today class we have to discuss about the different views of operating system, different views, how to view that operating system in different views. Okay, you can use operating system in different views. In examination they will ask you mention the views of operating system. Okay, or explain the views of operating system. In different views we can see the operating system. See the operating system. See, operating system, it acts as a resource manager. It acts as a resource manager. In examination they will ask you how the operating system acts as a resource manager. Okay, how it acts as a resource manager? See, it acts as a resource manager. It acts as a resource manager. The computer resources like printer, scanner, okay, these can be managed by operating system. Okay, yeah, see why it is it acts as a resource manager. Operating system acts as a resource manager. Why it is acts as a resource manager? Resource manager means it see the computer resources, like what are the computer resources you have? See, printer, scanner. Okay, then you have see memory devices. These can be managed by operating system. That's why the operating system acts as a resource manager. Okay, in examination they will ask you why how why the operating system acts as a resource manager. Why it is called resource manager? Because it manages the computer resources like a printer, scanner, and memory devices. Okay, that's why without these printer cannot, without operating system the printer cannot be work. Without scanner, without its operating system the scanner cannot be work. Without the operating system the memory devices cannot be work. Okay, that's why it is acts as a resource manager. Okay, it see, this is you have to remember. Okay, then the OS acts as a guardian. OS acts as a guardian. See, you know guard, what is the use of you know guard, like a security guard. Okay, see, same like it acts as a guardian. Guardian means, see, it performs, the operating system, it performs the number of tasks sequential order. In sequential order it performs the number of tasks in computer. For example, ನೀವು MS ವರ್ಡ್ ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ವೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದೊಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Okay, that's why the operating system also called as a guardian of computer. Guardian, see, it acts as a guardian. It acts as a guardian means the operating system, see, it performs the number of tasks sequentially. It performs the number of operations one by one. It executes the number of operations one by one in computer. That's why OS acts as a guardian. Okay, this is you have to remember. The next one is a OS acts as a extend machine. This is also asked in 2 marks. How the OS acts as a operating system acts as a extend machine. ಇದನ್ನು 3 marks ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. See how to write. See OS acts as a extend machine. Extend machine means, see, the operating system it hides the internal details of processor. You know processor means CPU, how it works. We don't know how the processor will be works in internally. We cannot see ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಾಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, that calculation will be hiding by operating system. Okay, operating system it hides the internal details of a computer. Internal detail, how the data will be goes, we cannot see. ಡಾಟಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. These internal details can be hiding by operating system. Okay, for that purpose we have to work very easy in computer. Okay, we can work very easy in a computer. That's why operating system it acts as a extend machine. Extend machine means, okay, we can see operating system it hides the internal details of a processor. It hides the all details of a computer. Okay, how it work. Okay, it hiding that all details, and we can work very easily in computer. Okay, this is you have to remember. Without confusion we have to work very easily in a computer because it hiding the all details of processor, all details of hardware components. Okay, that's why the OS is acts like a extend machine anta adike extend machine. Okay, this is how you have to remember. Then in examination they will ask you OS acts as a security manager. OS will be acts as operating system. It acts as a security manager. How it acts as a security manager? It prevents our data. Okay, it prevents our data from hackers. Okay, hackers means they are intentionally work on another computer. They are stealing our password. Okay, works on another computer very easily. Okay, these are to avoid from hackers. The operating system it prevents our data. There are so many data in our computer. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, there are confidential data in our computer. These ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. These are hacking our data. They are stealing our data. Okay, for that purpose you have to the operating system it provides a password. Okay, for the files. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿನೂ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ OS acts as a security manager. It gives the security to our data. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. there are so many confidential data we have. These can be, okay, it gives the all security to this data. Okay, these are the different views of operating system, how the operating system acts. Okay, see, in examination they will ask you mention the different views of operating system, andre just you have to write some headings. Okay, if they ask you how the operating system acts as an extend machine means you have to write the details. Got it? Okay, see, in last year they will ask the question how mention the different views of operating system. Then what you have to write for 3 marks question they will ask for 2 times. Then what you have to write, OS operating system acts as a resource manager, operating system acts as a guardian, operating system acts as a extend machine. Okay, operating system acts as a security manager. Okay, these are about how the operating system. Okay, what are the different views of operating system. Okay, see, without operating system already I have told you so many times it is the computer and mobile like a useless box. It is a useless box ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Okay, this is you have to remember. This is what this is about, different views of operating systems. Okay, example for operating system, these famous operating systems in the market. Yapa Windows operating system ide, Android operating system. These are the two are the famous operating system all over the world. Okay, these are the all over the world we have these two famous operating systems. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then the next one is a the next one is a we can go for a different types of operating systems. Okay, in examination they will ask you explain any five operating systems. Explain any five different operating systems. These are the different views, but these are the types of operating systems. What are the types of in market? We are getting a different types of operating systems available in the market. Depends upon your application. Depends upon your application. You have to use that operating system. Okay, in company ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಎ different operating systems. Got it? What are the different types of operating system? Okay, this is you have to study. Okay, explain any five different types of operating systems ಅಂತ 5 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. One by one you have to study it. There are 8 operating systems you have. There are 8 operating systems. One by one you have to study it. The first one is a single user operating system. Second one is a multi-user operating system. Then third one, multitasking operating system. Multi-processing operating system. Next, mobile operating system. Okay, real-time operating system. Okay, next, network operating system. Next, batch operating system. Okay, these are the operating system. Okay, one by one you have to study. See, then first one is what is single user operating system? The name implies that single user. Who use this operating system? Only one user can use this type of operating system. Only one user, single user. I am a single user operating system. Single user operating system means only one user can use these type of operating systems. Okay, not multiple user. Only one user can use these type of operating system. That's why single user operating system will be ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ? ಇನ್ PC. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is nothing but single user operating system. Okay, then in the laptops, okay, in the laptops that is a single user operating system. Okay, then in examination they will ask you give the example for single user operating system. Give the one example for single user operating system. The very good example means MS-DOS. MS-DOS. Expand MS-DOS ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. MS means Microsoft disk operating system. Microsoft disk operating system. It is a name of one operating system. It is the type. It is the single user operating system. It is developed by Bill Gates. You know, Bill Gates is a Microsoft president. Okay, he is a Microsoft president. He almost is the richest man in the world. Bill Gates is the richest man in the world. Why? Because the almost all in the 1980 they are using this MS-DOS operating system that time. Okay, MS-DOS operating system, it is a single user operating system. Single user operating system. It is this operating system can be used by only one user, only one person. Okay, for example ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. For example, you have a laptop. Only one user can work on that. Not 2 or 3 users are working that. Okay, on that laptop or PC. Okay, only one user. Okay, only one user can use that laptop. Okay, that PC. Got it? Okay, that is called single user operating system. Single user operating system. Okay, this is about a single user operating system. It is can be used in the PC. PC means personal computer. In PC and laptops you can use. Example for a single user operating system is a MS-DOS. MS-DOS, expand MS-DOS ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. Okay, Microsoft disk operating system. Then also the example also for Windows. Windows 98. Okay, Windows 98, Windows 98, Windows 97, these are the example for a single user operating system. Single user operating system. Okay, this is Windows is also the product of a Microsoft company, because it is also so much popular nowadays. This operating system also so much popular. Okay, this is what is a single user operating system. Then the second one is a multi-user. The name implies that multi-user operating system. This operating system can be used by multiple users. Multiple user can use this operating system. Okay, how the multiple user can use? See, for example, I have on a computer this. For example, this is the headquarters of SBI. This is SBI. This computer can be used by all other computers. See, in this computer we are using which operating system? Multi-user operating system. For example, on the SBI branch ide. Okay, for that SBI branch, the other SBI branches are connected. Other SBI branches are connected. Got it? Okay, like this. See, one branch ige innond branch connect agukandre, in that which operating system you have to in, for example, see, in for example, you have a headquarters of SBI is in Mumbai. Okay, through Mumbai the all SBI branches will be connected. All SBI branches will be connected. Okay, these are the computers. These are all single user operating systems. These are all single user operating system that can be connected to multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system. Okay, this is the multi-user operating system. Means what? Multi-user, the multiple user can access these operating system. Multiple user, for example, ಇವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ data ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, this C1 computer, it takes the data from this computer. Okay, then C2 computer, it wants the data, he can take the data from a C2. Okay, this is about multi-user operating system. See, multi-user operating system means the computer can be accessed by multiple user. That is called what? This is called a multi-user operating system antare. Okay, one computer na, okay, the multiple computers adana access madadandre, that is called multi-user operating system. In that computer you have installed which operating system? Multi-user operating system. Then only it allows to take the data from this computer. Got it? Okay, this is what is a multi-user operating system. Example for multi-user operating system: Linux, Unix ಮತ್ತೆ Windows 2000. Okay, Windows 2000, Unix, Linux, these are the example for a multi-user operating system. ಇದನ್ನು 2 times ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Give the example for multi-user operating system. Linux ಮತ್ತೆ Unix, these are the name of operating systems. Got it? Unix ಮತ್ತೆ Linux, these are the example for multi-user operating system. Got it? Okay, then the next one is a multitasking operating system. Multitask, already you know multitask, the name implies that the multiple task you can done simultaneously. Okay, multiple task means you can open 2 or more programs at a time in your computer. You can open 2 or more programs at a time. For example, ಒಂದು video software open ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, for example audio open ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, paint software open ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ at a time you have to work it. At a time you have to work in that computer. These type of operating systems are called multitasking operating system. Multiple programs you can open at a simultaneously at a time you can open it. Okay, in even in Android mobile also you can open WhatsApp, you can open songs. Okay, that is also multitasking operating system. Android operating system, it is also one of the example for multitasking operating system. Okay, see what is the example? Multitasking operating system, Windows operating system in computer alli irutte. Windows operating system is an example for multitasking operating system. In that you can open 2 or more programs at a time. Got it? Next, the next one is a multiprocessing. Processing means calculation. If you want to calculate 2 or more data at a time, if you want to process the 2 or more programs at a time, ನೀವು ಡಾಟಾನ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಾಟಾನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, that time you have that type of operating system is called multiprocessing operating system. Multiprocessing operating system means at a time you have to process multiple data you have to process it. These type of operating systems are called multiprocessing operating system. Okay, see, example is a Windows and Android are the example for multiprocessing operating system. Okay, you can do anything, you can calculation you can done in a Windows operating system. Got it? Then the next one is a mobile operating system. It is specially designed for mobile purpose. Mobile means small devices. Okay, mobile operating system, it is specially, these type of operating systems specially designed for small devices andre yadu mobile andre small. Okay, small devices ge operating system ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you have to use mobile operating system. It is specially designed for smartphones, tablets. Okay, then phones. Okay, you can design ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಫೋನ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ you have to use these type of mobile operating system. Example for mobile operating system is the best example Android, BlackBerry and iOS. Android operating system almost used by all the companies like Samsung, Realme, Nokia. All these companies are used by this Android operating system. BlackBerry operating system used by BlackBerry handsets. iOS operating system that is used by Apple company. In Apple phones alli ella iOS operating system na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, got it? This is you have to remember, these are what in examination this is also asked for 2 marks. Write any 2 mobile operating systems. Okay, Android operating system, then BlackBerry, then iOS operating system. Okay, this is you have to remember, this is what is the mobile operating system. Only it is specially designed for small devices like smartphones and tablets means these are also small devices like a computer. Okay, see, this is what. Then the next one is the real time operating system. In examination they will ask you expand RTOS ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. RTOS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Where you have to use this real time operating system. See, real time operating systems are used, okay, the situation where if you want an immediate result, okay, where the result have to be calculated immediately. If you want a quick result, quick response ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, if you want a quick result, that time you have to use a real time operating system. Real time operating systems ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, if you want a accurate result, if you want a immediate result ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ that situation you have to use a real time operating system. Where you have to use in ATM machines. In ATM machine ಗೆ ನೀವು ATM ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, then you have to draw 10,000 rupees. ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ. in that machine you have to use a real time operating system. Okay, real time operating system ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. got it? Immediate if you want result, then you have to use real time operating system. Then also real time operating system used in railway reservations. Railway ನೀವು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, you are getting quick response. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಬುಕ್ ನಾವು ಅನ್ನತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. Okay, if you want to perform immediate action, then you have to use a real-time operating system. Real-time operating system na different kade use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ATM machine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, in railway reservation, airline reservation, in bus reservations, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ real-time operating systems ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. See where if you want result, if you want calculation will be immediate, if you want result, then that situation you have to use a real-time operating system. Example for real-time operating system is a Symbian OS, then Lynx. Symbian OS and the Lynx operating systems na almost all use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Got it? Then the next one is a network operating system. Network. What is network? Network means nothing but either all computers are connected to each other. That is called network. Net means group. Network means if you want to send SMS from here, from Badagandi to Belgium, Badagandi to America, immediately the message will be passed. Immediately within 1 second the message ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. How it's possible? Because all over the world the computers are connected with each other, but ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. Okay, all over the world the computers are connected with each other. Okay, by using satellites link, all computers are connected with each other. That is called network antare. Okay, see, if you want to send data from one computer to another computer in long distance ಗೆ send ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then you can use a network operating system. You can use it. Okay, for example, network operating system, this is nothing but server. Server means it is used to store huge data in this. Huge data you can store in this. That is called server antar. It is called a server antar. See, server means it collection of, it stores huge number of data. This data can be used by different machines. For example, I want to access Google na access nodri, Google na ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಗೂಗಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್. ಗೂಗಲಿಂದ there are millions of people, they are accessing the data at a time. Okay, at a time they are accessing the data. The Google company ಅವರು ಯಾವುದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? then they are using a network operating system. Okay, for installation. Okay, network operating system that is used by that is used by different companies also for what purpose? See, to creation of server. If you want to take accessing any data from that computer, then you have to use a network operating system. Example for network, which is the example? Windows NT. NT means network. Okay, Windows NT is the best example for a network operating system. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, the next one is a batch operating system. Batch operating system. How it will work? It is used in olden. Okay, in olden days you have to use this operating system. See, here the users submit their jobs. Okay, users submit their jobs to CPU. Okay, here for example, this is C1 computer, this is C2 computer, this is C3 computer. These submit their jobs in the form of batch. This batch will be submitted to CPU. Okay, see, for example, batch operating system ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ವೈಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್. Okay, then that batch will be submitted to CPU. What is the use of CPU? It processing their salary. Okay, it processing the salary. Okay, that purpose I will use batch operating system. Batch operating system. For example, next ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ C1 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, C2, C3, these are the students. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಇವನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. These all informations you have to collect it in one batch. You have to collect it in one batch and submit it to the CPU. CPU means it is central processing unit. Processor it calculates the job and gives the result. It means what here see, the user can submit these jobs and the these tasks in the form of batches. These batches, okay, these batches, after that these batches can be processing by CPU. Like this it will work. Batch operating system means the user submit their jobs means task. First user in martane, okay, they submit their jobs to the CPU. How? In the form of batches. Okay, where these jobs are collected into batches. In the form of batches ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದರಿಂದ 100 ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್. ದೆನ್ 100ರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 200 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್. Like this they are processing the salaries. They have to that batch, these tasks can be collected into batches, then this batch will be used to the CPU for processing purpose. Okay, this is what is the batch processing, but it is not used nowadays. Okay, see, it is a olden days, it's save our time. In olden days we have to use this operating system. Okay, nowadays we are not using this type of operating system. Don't bother about this. You have to know these NE5. Okay, these NE5 operating system na neatagi nodkodri. Okay, this is about types of operating system. Okay, types of operating system, they are very very important. The types of operating system in this means single user operating system, multi user, then multitasking, multiprocessing, mobile operating system. These 5 you have to remember, okay, for your point of your examination. Okay, this is what these are the types of operating system. Okay, thank you for watching this video.